sorry. Sorry about that. My mom. My mom. Mama! Nagre-record ako. Nasa naman yung video. So, sorry. Guys, so yeah. What's in that? I got two on the floor. Got me hospital for a while, but I don't know. Just on missing. So yeah. How's the place? We are at the website, so I will have Robux on September 25. Mama! Hindi mo hinaan? Ah! Okay. So yeah, sorry about that. Okay, I don't want to. No, I don't know how to merge. That's it. Or I will, if I'm gonna reset, press the like button. If I will not reset, hit this button. So I'm gonna I'm Sharon. Actually, really good. I will not reset if I'm innocent or sheriff. If my brother wants the gun, I will give him the gun. Yes, you nailed it. Hey, what will I do with my 18 Robux is September 25? Write in the comments. And I will end a shopping spree right in September 25. Yes. Yeah! Let's get this. How many? Okay, I'll have 0 Robux in it. I want to get this one. 1,000 no bother. Okay. Oh no. Hello. Okay, I'm like. Whoa. Okay. Thanks, Wi-Fi. Oh. I got killed again? Okay. No, no. Huh? 30, 50, 33, 99. Well, that's too high, right? 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 Okay. Who doesn't after Anna? If I will have leg or not leg. If I'm not gonna buy the fake hair, I'm gonna buy the real hair. This is for the like I will, I'm saving money for to get the ninja for haste. Like yes, for haste. Now this one. So just a second. Okay.
Uy, baka walang hotspot. Nahina ng signal.
Meron.